Hold on, you two. We're going for a rough ride.
Okay, you two, it's gonna get rough. So expect a miracle. Wow. I got a little note here. There was nothing remote or mysterious here. Only something private.
To Texas 71 Jolly.
The only secret was the ancient communication between two people. I thought of you. Once again, there's nothing remote or mysterious here. Only something private. The only secret was the ancient communication between two people. I thought of you. Hard. Okay, YouTube, it's gonna get rough. Is it? Secret Life of Plants. What a book! To a wonderful man who is more than a friend. Love, enjoy. Guy and Karen. Welcome to Candid Travels, Texas. Okay, so today I wanted to share with the ATX iTech family and you know who you are. If you are, you know who you are. The plant sentience tactic. This is going to be short. I don't know where we're going to go today. We are now at the end of May, early June, here in central Texas. We're headed south again. Yeah, I know we haven't headed north. Maybe later. I don't know. No invitations up north, so we're just headed south. Going south is not necessarily bad, is it? Okay, so here it is. I'm going to keep this short. Hey, last week was shorter. I don't know where we're going to go this time. Anyway, plant sentience tactic. Now, basically what this is for you as an ATX iTech family member, Candid Travels family, to consider the sentience of trees, of grass, of plants, of flowers, of the plant world, like that. Can you, and do they have sentience? Can they understand you? And can you understand them? Can they be a source of intelligence? You know, like in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis, it says that some of the trees are spies for the evil queen. Now, they may not be bad, they may be good. So, try this. Now, this is a great book. I highly recommend. I'm rereading it again. It's so fun. It's The Secret Life of Plants, a fascinating account of the physical, emotional, and spiritual relations between plants and man. Peter Tompkins and Christopher Bird, authors of Secrets of the Soil. Okay. It's an older book. It was written in the 1970s, compiled with scientific research from all these decades prior to that. And so one little experiment that they have said that people have tried doing and was repeatable dependent on the individual's capacity was they would take, let's say, 2 leaves off of a tree. Just take the leaf off, and you put them next to each other on your bedstand. So every day when you wake up in the morning, every day when you go to bed at night. Oh, look at these moose! Yeah, got steers. Allison was the one who took the beautiful photos last week's episode. Check that out, of the steers, the still photos. So there they are. Okay. So, circuit of America. All right. So, basically, in this thing, you can try for yourself, see if it works. Comment below to see if it works. You take 2 leaves off of a tree or a plant and put it by your bedside, one right next to each other. Pick one to talk to. Pick one to give thoughts of love and intention of wanting that leaf to live. And just ignore the other one. Then in a week, see how the leaves are doing. Okay? in the cases in this book where they've had repeatable scientific experiments of this kind, the leaf that the individuals had thought about every day, every night, when they go to bed, when they get up in the morning, twice a day, very easy, the stem sealed, closed, and it stayed green, as if it had just been plucked off of a tree. The other leaf that was ignored became dry and brittle and died. So, do plants have sentience, the ability to feel, to think in their own way, much like animals and humans do? This book says maybe. Now, what does that mean to you as a warrior, as a professional, as a soldier, as a private citizen, as an artist, right? The plant sentience tactic. All right, where are we now? Ooh-wee. No idea where we're headed. Holy Cross Worship Center. I can't get that song out of my head. I wonder who was listening to that. Cute truck driver. Yeah, what is that song? What is it? I have no idea. It was playing in here earlier, so I'm just singing it. Okay, that's a song. Look at these guys. They're chowing down for dinner. Black and whites. Yeah. Look at these guys chowing down. Look at these zebras. These are all African animals, guys. All right. There's okapi. There's zebras. Now that's a statue of a bison. And this place here is so cool. I drive by it all the time. It's Frebo Ranch. F-R-E-B-O. Frebo Ranch. I saw a couple of zebras. Did you guys see that? Okay, now look at these bison. This is where your bison burgers come from. The people are here. Look at all that bison. Woo-wee. Okay. Now I'm gonna pause here, and then I'll show you the other side. Found this at Cracker Barrel for very little money. It is so cool. Look at this thing. Go like that. Launch. It's a tiny pinball machine. Cracker Barrel. Driving around on highways. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. Are we on Frebo on the other side? Did you see it? No. I better keep an eye out here. I'll show you the other side of the road, which is
I saw an ostrich. I think this is.
Here it is, Frebo, right here.
You can't really see.
You can't see. This is the other part of the ranch. It's on the other side of the freeway, and we should be able to see. There's ostrich. Here it is. This is the Frebo Ranch. Other entrance. You'll see it coming up right there. Boom. Frebo Ranches. Check that out. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna maybe. Woohoo! Here, launch. Launch. Woo. All right. Look. Teenage Mutant Turtles. Do not turn this off. Allison turned off this thing, and I had my high score of almost 1 million. Ah, there it falls. So this actually keeps the score. It keeps the score if you don't turn it off, and it turns off by itself, so it won't ruin their battery. So you don't need to flip this off on this unit right here. Okay. Yeah. Now, Allison, you said you played this, the full-size version, right? In the 90s, was it?
Yeah.
So it's been shrunk down. Look at that. It looks just almost exactly like... Was the real version that you played in the 90s a screen on the ground, too?
No, it was real.
Was it an actual ball? Because they were, for a while, they had full-size pinball machines with the screen like this.
No, it was the actual, like,
It was an actual real ball.
Yeah.
But the top and the bottom looked the same, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So hey, we've traveled to see a miniature Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtles
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
pinball machine. Okay, that was Freebo. Allison's wondering what all this is. Talk to the conspiracy theorists. Work camps, huh? Government tyranny, huh? I don't know. Okay. All right. We're still headed south. Oh, look at all the water. We had a lot of water. Columbus. We're in Columbus right now. El Campo. 77 miles. Wow. That looks like it could be like a Silver Lake. No, we're in almost South Texas. Oh boy. Spirit truck lines. Allison told me to look at the pretty purple as we drive south into South Texas. Wow, yeah, it's gorgeous. She's driving. Looks like cotton candy. Wow. Cotton candy, baby. Cotton candy. Look at that. Where we go, nobody knows. So that was credited to Master Allison pointing out the sky. I'm just a passenger today. Do you want to be seen? Okay, she said no, shaking her head. Shaking her head. Look at that beautiful sky, man. I love this. So gorgeous. The sunset. Birds in Sugar Land, Texas. Just listen. Oh yeah. I'm talking to this tree right now. Listening mostly. They listen to us. We're in Sugar Land, Texas. The birds know that there's sentience in a tree. That means a tree can think, has emotions and thoughts. Now I'm going to lean my back against this tree right now and feel the tree's communication with me. Here we are. Just lean up against that tree. Oh yeah. Yeah. Try that. How about giving it this tree a hug? Just hugging this tree. The bark's kind of rough on my nose, but I understood why. And here we have a banana plant. I don't know if you can see the banana plant here. Right here is the banana plant. And the banana plant's communicating something completely different. And here is the tree here. Okay. Birds and trees. They're in Sugar Land, Texas. Listen to them. Hello, bush. Ah, that sounds good. And here's the banana tree. It's beautiful. And even the grass speaks to us. Here's a frog. Tree some more. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful one punch. Father God and Mother Nature. Father God and Mother Nature. That's a big one right here. And we have a coconut cabbage palms here. How beautiful. Hello, shrub. Thank you. Wow, how beautiful is that? Look at that gorgeous sky. Just listen to the trees and to the birds. Birds know that trees are sentient. Candid Travels, Texas. Look at this awesome vehicle, huh? We're here in Sugar Land, Texas. That's cool. I like that. Bye.